the kinds of dislocations of which the Holocaust is like the supreme, you know, major example, happen on a smaller scales elsewhere too. If you just look at the United States, you know, who are we? We're you know, if you're just an American Jew, say, you know, but, you know, your grandparents spoke Yiddish, your great-grandparents spoke Yiddish, and now, you know, and through the process of modernity, they got rid of it as fast as they could, and their children no longer wanted to hear it, and then their great-grandchildren or grandchildren, you know, rediscovered, say, you know? But it's not the same culture as, you know, so you know, the idea of a break, we all live with that, you know? And the guy I studied with, Hone Shmeruk, who was an amazing guy, a Polish Jew who, you know, headed the Department of Yiddish at Hebrew University. And I will never know what he knew. I will never, both from the inside and in terms of academic learning. And he died. When he died, I said, oh shit, you know, it's us now, you know? And I'm terrified sometimes. You know, students come to me and they act like I know something. I don't know anything, you know? I mean, I do know something, but it's not, you know, and then the consciousness that they will know even less, you know, but that's the way it goes, you know, especially in this world of ours, you know, the pre-modern world was different. You could transmit stuff, you know, and, you know, it was essentially unchanged, but not really, but it was, but not like now, you know? What do I have, and my, you know, my son, my 13-year-old is texting all the time. What kind of culture is that? You know, and what's he going to transmit? You know, keystrokes. But he'll transmit something. You know, so again, I'm basically optimistic, I think.